Hey everyone, Chris Faust. In this lesson we're going to build a mobile page. These are going to be product specific pages that you can build. They're mobile optimized in order for you to put them with your QR codes. So your QR code, when it's scanned, will go to a particular mobile page if you want it to. And this could be used for products in a retail setting. It could be used for business cards in order to get people to land on your personal page that's mobile optimized instead of landing on a desktop website, which can be cumbersome to mobile devices because of the high bandwidth. So we're going to get started. We're going to go over to, this is our home screen here. Go over to 2D barcodes, and once that drops down, we're going to click on mobile page. Now once this loads up, what's going to happen is we're going to first have a description. The description is the page itself. This is a very simple WYSIWYG editor. It's nothing too fancy, but you can type in this is a mobile page. Here is my content. Now we could do things like bullet points if we wanted to, test 1, test 2, etc. And as we do this, we're basically creating the content that's going to be on this product-specific mobile page. Like I said, this is generally used for products, but you can use it for your own personal information as well if you want. So once we get this done, this is always the first thing that has to be done is the description. This is just the content that goes in. You can bold text if you want to, italicize it, you can change the color of the text, so you can really kind of dive in deep with how far you want your mobile website to go. I didn't highlight that. Let's highlight this. Choose a font family. Okay, so you can choose different fonts. You can choose the font sizes. Okay, so you have a wide range of different options that you can choose. Now once we have this, we can also add images. The big thing about adding an image, if we wanted to add one, is the image URL. We're not uploading an image. Okay, we're grabbing images that are already somewhere linked on a server. So all you would have to do is type in the URL of the image itself. It could be specifically on your website, it could be on somebody else's website, on a blog, in a news article. When you find certain images, you can right-click the image and copy the image URL. As soon as you paste that into here, what's going to happen is your mobile site is going to load that in based on from that website or that blog that you choose. You can add an image description if you want. You can choose the alignment of how it's going to be placed. You can also, once it loads up, it's going to give you the dimensions of the image. You can choose to change those dimensions if you want. So you have a lot of different options here with your image, and then you just hit insert and it's going to insert it into your mobile page. The other thing is, if you didn't want to use the WYSIWYG editor and you wanted to use straight HTML content, this is good for when you want to upload JavaScript files, you want to upload different kind of links to forms, videos, PDFs, etc. You want to give the option for HTML, which, as you can see, the editor has already pulled up what we've put into our description right here. So it's already done the coding for us, but if we wanted to add some special coding, we can. This is also good for when you create a campaign and you go to your preferences and you have the engagement code. You can take the engagement code and put it into your mobile page through the source editor, which is the HTML icon up here. That way you're going to track the amount of time that people actually stay on your mobile page. Once we have this done, we're going to hit save. And now our description has been saved. So currently a mobile web page has been created on the back-end system. This is not a mobile website. A mobile website is an entire unit that has different buttons and different levels. So it could be a page for About Us, a page for services, a page for contact, and that's all contained within a mobile website. This is just specific landing pages. You're creating a page for, let's say, it's a product, it's a pair of jeans. When you're at a retail shop and you're looking at a pair of jeans, you can have the picture of the jeans, the different sizes you carry, and then you can say now available with a discount if you want to put in a discount. So once we have that mobile page done, next we can, if we want to, click on images. This is going to allow us to create a photo gallery. So just like in the previous example that I just gave with the jeans at a retail store, you could actually upload, you could create a photo gallery, and this could be called jeans retail, okay? And then we can upload, by just clicking browse and uploading, we can upload different images of that specific pair of jeans, different people wearing them, different photos of the the different sizes and etc., different colors maybe. So this is good for product specific marketing. When you want to take a product, you have different options available. You have the option to put in a photo gallery. This is where you would put that in. You just upload these images. You upload. You cannot link these images. These are ones that you upload into the system. The next thing would be your logo. This is going to appear at the top of your mobile web page. So your logo is going to be at the top, then your content is going to be pushed below that, which your content is based in the description here. So you can browse for your logo and upload your logo, and make sure you keep it within 300 in the width. So 300 and less in width is perfect for a mobile logo. Height we're not really too worried about, so just keep the properties kind of the same. Now on the Content tab, this is a little bit different. Content tab is not information that's going into the page. These are going to be little icons and buttons that are created into the page. So what we can do is we can create a V-card. V-card would be good for a sales page. Let's say a salesman has a QR code on the back of his business card. When we scan it, we go to his personal description page, where he has his name, his address, his information, what he is, the products he's trying to sell. Maybe he doesn't have a photo gallery, but he does have the company logo loaded at the top. And then in the content, he can put in all of his contact information. When we save this contact information, we're creating a button at the bottom of the web page that's going to say download V-card. When we click that, we're going to be able to download his V-card information directly to the contact address book in the phone. Same thing for this calendar section. If you wanted to have a specific sale date, for example, we're talking about the retail outlet with the jeans. We had a description of the jeans, we uploaded a photo gallery of the jeans, we have the retail store's logo that's going to be at the top of the page. Now at the bottom we want to say, oh, by the way, we're having a special 50% off sale starting at this date, this time, and save it, because people will be notified at the bottom of that page as they're looking for that specific product. Oh, they have a future sale coming up. Yes, remind me of this future sale. When they click that button, it's going to load into their calendar feature on their phone all of this information, so that way they'll be reminded to come back to the store later on. You can also have a direct email option, so you can just type in an email. People can click the email button and automatically send an email to whatever email address you put in here. You can put a phone number in. When you put a phone number in, when people click it, they're going to be calling this number. So when they click this button, the phone button from the mobile page, they're going to be calling that number. If you wanted to have people map a certain location, let's say they wanted to map the retail location, map a property that's for sale, anything that's specific, we can map the location. We can set the address here, click Set Location, and then click Save. The last thing is going to be the social media. If you have a Facebook page, a Twitter page, LinkedIn, Foursquare, or YouTube video, go ahead and link those all through here and click Save. This way it's going to be product specific, especially if you have a YouTube video about the product. You can put that in there. And when they're on the page and they scroll down, they're going to see the YouTube icon. They can click that and go directly to the YouTube video that you choose. Same thing for your Facebook page, your Twitter account, and your LinkedIn account and Foursquare. Once you have all of your content finished, we're going to go to the link. This is the final step of your mobile site. You're going to use this URL to generate your barcodes. So we're going to copy this URL and we're going to paste it where we create campaigns. So when we create this mobile website, we click on Create Campaigns, and then we paste the URL for that mobile page in there. And then we create our QR code based on that. And then the QR code is now going to go directly to that mobile page with all of your content. And that's how you create a mobile page. If you have any other questions or you need further help, go to qrpath.com/tutorials. Thank you.